video will see how to play an audio or music while displaying the splash screen of your for your Android app. So let's see. First, let's see a demo. I'll just read on this app. Just now I have created. So this
is Programmer World. Welcome.
Perfect. I hope you will be able to hear. So during the splash screen, it spoke something that this is Programmer World. Welcome. Okay. So I'll show you how you can do that programming. For that, you'll need few files. One is the splash logo, whatever you want to display. That's my channel icon for this. I have mentioned in this app. And then the sound, MP3 file, whatever sound you want to play over that time. And then we'll create a splash activity.java file, which is the main thing it will do. But before that, I'll just also show you one layout, the new layout file which you have to create, which is basically activity splash screen. Okay, I'll just minimize this side. A splash.xml file. Here you can just put whatever you want to put, like image or text and all, whatever you want to put. So this is the layout which will display to the splash screen. And you also have to update your manifest file. There you have to just update the main activity with the splash activity, and a launcher and all those things will be there. And you have to make the main activity as a sub activity, like the secondary activity, which should not get a launcher, otherwise it will create two launchers for your app. Okay. So now once you have done all these things, then we can go to our this Java code which we have created as new activity splash activity. And over here the code is pretty much simple and straightforward. So first and foremost, okay, it's defining few class variables like duration of how long the splash screen should be visible and media player. And the first and foremost, it will first set the content view, which is basically the splash activity. So this is important because this will show the splash activity underscore splash dot layout file instead of the main activity layout. Okay, so main layout. And then it will create the media player, the local variable, and it will use the splash sound whatever we have implemented here, and then it will play the media player here. And then in this it will start the activity, the main activity, based on the duration, whatever duration we set up above. On the completion of this duration, it will start the main activity. So until then it will continue with the splash activity .java file. So that's all. I hope this video is useful to you. I'll just run this demo one small quickly to demonstrate, and then we'll close it.
Programmer World. Welcome.
Yeah, so I think it was audible. There was some sound, but I don't know why it was. But anyway, it was. So thank you and have a nice day. Bye.